So friends, in this lecture we'll learn about how to connect or link the data between two different workbooks or two different files or two or more different files. Earlier we have seen that how we can link the data within one single workbook and different sheets in that workbook. Now we are going to see it between different files or different workbooks. For that purpose we have created a dummy data of marks of semester 1 of 10 students, and again we have created a similar data for semester 2 marks. See, you can hear semester 2 marks. There are semester 1 marks, semester 2 marks, and we have created another file that is having total marks, and we are going to get the total marks from those two files in these files. Let us see how we can do it. And for that purpose, what we'll do is we'll just rearrange the files for a better visibility and understanding. What I'll do is, as previous, we are going to have that division of files on the screen we did earlier like this, and we'll have our target file here on the top. We'll little resize it. Now you see, we can see on the back hand two files, semester 1 and semester 2. On the top you can see the name semester 1, semester 2, and this is the total marks. Now we'll fetch the marks from the files. Now for this file semester 1 marks, we'll have equal to, and we'll go to semester 1 file, and here in semester 1 file we'll click on the total marks here, the total marks, and press enter. When we press enter, we see here the total marks comes up. Now on the formula bar you can see the formula that automatically comes up when you link that marks in this file. What you have to do here is you have to delete these dollar signs, these two dollar signs you have to delete. These dollar signs are for referencing, absolute referencing. In future lecture we are going to understand the how referencing works out. For here you just understand we have to remove these dollar signs and press enter. Now you can drag these marks, and now you have the whole of the marks of the first semester. You can compare it. You see 436 and last is 415, 415 the last marks, 436 the marks. Similarly, we can have the marks of semester 2. We go to cell D3 and have equal to. After that, we click on file semester 2, and in the semester 2 file, we'll go to the marks of first student. Click on here and press enter. Now the marks of first student are here, and we have to delete these two dollar signs and press enter and drag it till the bottom. And we have to create a total marks here, like we have to have equal to, and this plus this, press enter, and we can press control, we can press double click here in the end to have the total marks. And for percentage we can have equal to this divided by our marks were actually out of 12 subjects in previous we have seen. So in this way you can have the percentage, right, or you can copy the percentages from those and then divide it by 12. You can do alternative that, right? In this way we can have. Now we can save these files. Now the key is that you have to save these files in the location whichever convenient to you, whether they may be in the same location. For example, at this time I have all my 3 files on the desktop. You can save these 3 files anywhere in the system, but after saving and creating these links, you should not change the location. Once you change the location, then you have to update the links also, as we did right now to create a link. Similarly, you have to update the links also. Let us see the advantage of these linking of files. Suppose in semester 1's these students go for improvement in subject 6 and scored a very good marks, and we have to update the marks in the first file. So here 25 marks, we'll see the score is 337, and we can verify this on here also. You can see 337 marks are here on the file. So here 25 marks, and let us say assume that the score is improved his marks, and now it is 85. So this 337 updates to 397, and you see here in this file also, it is 397 and automatic updation of the final marks and percentage of that student. So this is a benefit of linking of files.